Hi. Hi.
Hello, welcome
Hi.
to 17 Residences.
Hi.
This is a 1+1 fully furnished studio unit, a low floor and swimming pool view.
Wow, thank you so much. Okay, so I will come in and I will help myself, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, when you come in this unit, you see that this is a 550 square feet studio unit facing the pool view. Alright, this place here is actually the dining hall. The owner has already put a table with 4 seats, and you can have your dinner, your lunch down here. Behind of it, you have a small pantry, alright, with a fridge and also a built-in wardrobe, cabinet, and a sink, induction cooker. Everything is there. Yeah, so you got nice designer lights. And then when you move further down, here you have a small living room with a 2-seater sofa. Yeah, so he has actually installed a TV. Yeah, with also this TV cabinet. Yeah, all right. On top here you have the aircon, and then you have the fan with the plaster ceiling lightings. Yeah, so quite a nice featured wall down here. Okay, so the next thing is when you go further down here, you have a second sofa. So the reason they put the sofa here is so that you can actually have a place to do your reading, and also to sit down, play your phone, reply your messages. Right? So nice designer trees. Okay, and then when you come all the way to the end, you have this curtain. Move it aside. Yeah, the owner has also installed a grill. Yeah, this grill is actually to prevent the kids from going out. Yeah, so for those parents who have kids, you can just lock the grill and then it's okay, it's safe. All right. So when you come out here, you have this 2-seater coffee table, a nice artificial plant, overlooking section 17. All right. And then on the other side, you have a swimming pool with also a bit more plants. Yeah. All right, guys. So now let's go and see the other side. Okay. So when you come in, you have this. It looks like this. You can walk in straight. Yeah. All right. So I will show the main room. This is the parents' room. So if you look at the design of this house, it's actually designed with the intention of, probably a father, a mother, and a young child. So this is where the father and mother will stay. All right, you have this bedside cabinet to put all your handbags, probably your phones. All right, okay, and then this is the lighting, the fans. Yeah, so this is the developer provided built-in wardrobe. Yeah, so all in here, very nice. If you want to sleep, you can actually close this door. Sliding door. Okay. Alright, so and then you have a second room down here, which is actually very interesting. This place is where you can put a single bed. Yeah. Alright. With a sliding door also. Yeah. And at the end of it, you have a wardrobe with a fan and lights. Okay. Yeah, so the reason why they put this room down here is because the owner actually has a child, and the child is a few years old, so they need their own place to stay, and this is how they actually accommodate the whole family. Yeah. Alternatively, if you don't want this room to be a bedroom, what you can do is actually remove the bed and the wardrobe and put an extra study table so that you can use this as a workstation. All right. So very flexible. All right. So here we are again. This is how it looks like, the TV tilted down. Okay, and just one last thing, I'm going to show you the bathroom now. Yeah, okay, so when we come in, you have the washing machine. This is the top loader. If you want, you can actually remove this and put a front loader inside here. There's this space to put a front loader. Yeah, but for them, they prefer top loader. And then you have the shower screen, this thing, and this one, shower screen. Okay. The water heater is on top. Yeah, so everything is in here, is complete. Alright, so just to pan one more time, yeah, this is how the unit looks like. Wow, it's a very complete 2+1 person house. Yeah, so okay, I think with that, this brings an end. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you for viewing this unit. If you are interested to buy, can just contact me. I'm Lisa. 17 Residences. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Lisa. Okay, I will make a move first. So yeah, okay, bye bye guys. Alright.